Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and we're going to do a quick screen recording. We are December 13th, 2023. The market's doing all right. So a lot of people thought we were going to go down, but we're starting to go back up. So again, you don't know what's going to happen. Even the best of the best, they never know 100%. So let's do a quick market update. And then I want to share with you some important Dega news. So for those of you that have been participating to the initial stake pool offering, we'll go over that in just a second. So Bitcoin, 42,400 now. So it's climbing up as I speak. So 3% on the day. And on the week, it'd be nice if we can get above, what, 44? 44 would be nice. That would be a big deal. So again, we cannot control anything. If we look on the year, we're still up big time. And again, the idea is to get in now before the halving. So we're roughly 133 days away. This fluctuates depending on the day. So if we take a look, we are at what? Almost a 1.6 trillion cap, so it's good. ETH is doing all right. I want to share with you one project that I got in quickly and got out. Again, I only get in and out very quick. I tend to not be short term because then you can get wrecked. So ADA 62 cents, not bad. So that's a pretty good size of what we're holding in a couple different portfolios. So this one we've been tracking. You guys see it all the time. So if you go to pool.pm, then you can see that wallet. So that's doing good, but we're mostly in copy right now. So if I go back to the home page, we can scroll down. Avax is doing really well. It's basically the last token that hasn't really pumped. That's a very popular layer one. Matic, I got rid of and put in a copy. So that's kind of what I've been doing on that front. So let's take a look at some other news here. Let's go to Dega. And specifically on the Twitter, there was an announcement on the 11th, and it says, "We've got a special treat for our amazing Cardano community starting at the end of Epoch 454. Your Dega rewards are going to be tripled in our ISPO." So we've gone over, I believe it was 60,000 that I have. Comment down below what you have. So it looks like, I mean, dude, triple rewards. That's amazing. So just wanted to give a nice shout out to the Dega team. And that's the beautiful thing about the ISPOs, right? You get to participate in projects that haven't come out yet. And you get all these rewards just by taking a shot. And I went over all this. So if we go here to visit our rewards calendar, I highly recommend that you guys check out the videos. It's basically too late now. Again, this started in on June 19th, 2023, and 42 epochs, so times 5 days. You know, we're nearing the end of it right now. So every 5 days you get rewarded. In fact, if I go to my rewards dashboard, I should have my stake keys pasted in. So here you can see the largest wallet, believe this one, so 46,000. So I guess, which one is that again? Let's take a look. So it's Epoch 454. So 454, does it even say? I'm not sure which epoch we are in yet. So if you guys check that out, maybe on Cardano scan. Actually, I'll pull it up. Cardano epoch calendar. So comment down below, how many Dega do you have? How excited are you about that news? I think it's a really big deal. I think it's a really big deal. So again, it's 454. If you guys go to this calendar, you can see when the next epochs are. So 454, 452 were paid. So 454, that already happened 2 days ago. So I assume that will be paid in 2 more epochs. So December 21st, roughly. Or you could just recommend that you wait. The other thing is, a lot of you have asked, how are we going to claim our rewards? How are we going to get our Dega tokens? And my answer to that is, it's either going to be in the form of an airdrop. So what that means is that they have your public address, they will send it to you. Or it will be claimable. So the short answer is nobody knows yet. I don't think that's been announced. Regardless, when you get into an ISPO, just remember that you may have to pay a little bit. What is it, like maybe 4 ADA at most to claim your rewards? But it's definitely worth it. And again, I don't know what the price of these tokens will be. Let's hope they come out in a bull run and they're worth like 30 cents. So you never know. For example, Meld, I believe I got 6,000 Meld, and I was only delegating like 2,000 ADA at the time. So that was a really good ISPO, and again, I think this is a great one as well. So check it out. They have a lot of good information on their website. You could also pick up one of their elements, their Dega elements collection. So you can mint one of those. You can pick one up through ADA, ETH, BNB. So definitely check that out. So go on the website. There's tons of information that you can check out there. So that's it for this video. Just want to keep it short and sweet. Also, check out the link tree. In there on December 21st, click here because we have the Loose Moose NFT drop. This is going to be what? Yeah, 7 days in a week. So it's not on the calendar, but not much I can do about that. But once it's out, I definitely want you guys to check that out. Also pick up a hardware wallet, check out the online courses, and that's it.